I think I'm just gonna like play music over this part because there's really nothing to talk about with this. Just the rear lower control arm. I don't know how much. Sweet, it'll just pop a little bit, you know? Ooh. Oh man, these are nice. I wonder if they put these, they gave us these to put on here. That's probably what I'll do. That looks sweet. There's one. Uno and dos. Should be the same on each side. Look at that. That's that polyurethane. So instead of rubber. Good. Oh yeah. Look at that. Nice and solid. It's a hard ass sheet. And then see these little channels right here? When you push the grease in, those little channels is where the grease will go. So it lubricates between the, looks like brass or something, but the bushing and the polyurethane. Hell yeah. Ready? Can you see it? That grease gun? If you haven't noticed, I kind of just like to pre-assemble all of my hardware. Just makes it easier. I mean, you gotta take... Okay, well that doesn't make it easier when you do that. Electric impact. Let's see how this bad boy works. Oh shit! You ready? The right size. Oh no. Oh, come on. Pulling on it. A little tappy tap while you're pulling on it. It helps. There we go. Ooh, sorry. Come on out. That's so loud. Okay, I'll let you know when I get that out. Alright, so we just got that bolt out. I think it was this one. Yeah, it definitely was this one. But the thread's kind of... developed, or caused us to have a little ridge right here. There was a lip. I just filed it down just by doing this. Doesn't take much. It took me maybe 2 minutes just doing that. You see when I tried to shove it up here the first time, caught polyurethane right there, gave it a little scratch. Shouldn't be an issue, but now it just slide up in there. Oh yeah, look at that, way slid up in there. But so what we're having now is these holes aren't lining up. I think it's just the way that I've got this supported by the quick jack. Some of the weight might be forward just because I don't know, however I have it set up. But anyway, I just put the little jack right up under here, a piece of wood, and it'll line it up. So let's see if I can put some ahead and do this real quick before the GoPro dies. These are the little things that make it take longer than, oh, just 10-minute install. Bolts that don't want to come out, and then lining holes up and getting little ridges. Trying to be very careful, but looks like I got some of the paint there. But you won't be able to see that, so that's good. Some good news. Hopefully we can see that at all. much it. Hopefully I could do it before the GoPro dies. Yeah, and then we got the wheel back on this side. And, yeah, I mean, can't really see much. But there's from there. And there's from there. That's a little dark. Let me try to hurry up and do this. Definitely won't have enough GoPro battery. There we go. Also got that e-brake cable all the way. So there we go. So we've got the subframe connectors on. Now I'll have these on. And eventually I'd like to keep doing the rest of this, you know. Get these out of here. Crane arm bars. Get those out. Torque arm. And yeah, maybe some upgraded springs. We'll see. But for now, this is what we got. Alright. Hope you enjoyed that one. Nothing too complicated, but as always, there's some little thing that's like, hey, it won't take an hour like I thought. Thought this was going to be a one beer project. Turned out to be two. So, anyway, gonna zip this other side back together and call it a night. Thanks for watching.